How to scan PayPal QR code. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can scan PayPal QR code. For this, you can either use any web browser or download the application. In order to download the app, head over to Play Store or App Store and search for PayPal. From here, you can tap on the install button and have this application installed on your device. For website, you can open up any web browser and then head over to paypal.com. Make sure to sign into your account. Now here you want to set up your account in order to get the QR code. So make sure that you have confirmed your email, linked your cards and added a profile picture. Once all of this is done, you will be able to get the QR code. Now for this, tap on the three lines at the top left corner. From these options, you want to select Get Paid with QR Code option. Now, a new QR code will be displayed to you. You can simply download that or tap on the share button. Then you can display it anywhere and buyers can pay you directly using the QR code. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.